Hey YouTube, welcome to John Moto Garage. Today we are doing a very simple, easy install of the brake master cylinder cap. This is an easy install to do that takes less than 5 minutes and helps personalize the looks of your bike. Before you begin, it is a good idea to try and get the cylinder as level as possible so that you don't lose or leak any fluid during the installation process. In order to do that, it's best to try and get the handlebars level and loosen these bolts and clamps to be able to tilt and lift this cylinder forward. Now I'm going to be installing this on my 2006 Triumph. As you can see here, I already have an aftermarket cylinder cover, but like I said, this is just a cheap way to kind of change the looks of your bike and personalize it from time to time. And I've already gone ahead and loosened the 2 screws holding down the cover. Okay, after the screws are removed, gently lift the cover as best as you can. And as you can see here, there is a rubber piece that's holding all the fluid in and a plastic piece right underneath the cap. And fortunately, in my case, the rubber gasket stayed in, so there isn't that much fluid that's kind of leaking out of the cylinder. But that's why it is important to try and level this out as much as possible so that even if the rubber gasket comes out, you're not leaking any brake fluid. All right, once it's off, just take that plastic piece out and install it back onto your cylinder. And then take your new cylinder cover and place it on top. Next, you're just going to screw down the screws on both sides of the cylinder. Here, I'm actually reusing my old screws because they are black, and I think it gives overall a better, more uniform look than the screws that were sent with the British Customs cover. Once the screws are tight, just give it a quick wipe down and be sure to check your fluid levels to make sure you didn't lose too much and it does not need to be replaced. And finally, if you've unscrewed the clamp for your reservoir, make sure you clamp that down back to the desired angle and you are done. All right, and here is the finished product. As discussed, this is a cheap, easy install you can do that takes less than 5 minutes of your time and makes your bike look awesome and a little bit more yours. And as you can see, I am in the process of dismantling my bike and have a bunch more installation videos and reviews that I'm planning to upload. So please feel free to subscribe and hit the notifications button to be notified of any future videos that I'll be posting. If you liked this video, please smash the like button. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.